The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Markets are being a little bit wild here in this early going. I didn't take this trade, but if I had, this would have been an 18-point winner at this time in the morning. Not sure what's got the markets all riled up, but we'll see how it goes. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, iMac. Good morning, Philip. So we can see overnight we had a rise up and then a fall after yesterday's big fall. ES as high as 39.98 quarter down to 39.40 quarter, so 48-point drop, and Q12.920 all the way down to 12.769, so about 150 points. Copper fallen, bouncing a little bit there, 180 ticks of range. Gold once again get back above 2,000, a little bit below it now, but it's trying again, about a 20-point range. Ultraviolet rising up, moved up even further. I moved that yellow line, almost 3 points. Natural gas is rising up. About 80 ticks of range there. Last but not least, crude falling fast. About 350 ticks of range. So we'll hope everyone's ready for the great day upon us. I just missed another signal. Morning, Matt. You can see it's sending a signal after signal after signal here. And this one would have worked. If I hadn't gotten that one, this one would have worked. Now let's see whether this one would have worked. So I totally missed it there going through that little recap. We're ready to rock. Sticking with 5 micros today. Our ATR is already up to 8, so we're right on the micros. But starting on Monday, I'm going to be switching to minis. Unless, of course, I absolutely totally blow up today or something. Need my binario beats. We continue to head down here right now. So it could be an interesting day with the fact of how active we are already. How's everyone doing this morning or afternoon in IMAD's case? Glad to hear that, Kevin. Well, I think the answer to that is 0. Okay. But yeah, it's falling fast. Hey, can anyone get UB to load? Someone just reported on Earn a Trader they couldn't get UB to load, and I just tried it myself, and I can't get it to load either. $6.23? Yeah. It's not loading for me, and someone just said it's not loading for them on I have it up here. It's working on TradingView. And while I was answering that, I just missed another signal. Good job, Brian. Let me see. Is UV giving fresh data here? Yeah, it's giving fresh data here. TradingView. Continuing to make new lows a day. Popping up. I would have stopped this out, so it's good I did miss that one. Morning, Sid. How are you today? Did they hear that? We'll wait for our first opportunity. We do have news. Excuse me, news this morning. See the count? Oh, I don't have the countdown timer activated, so you can't see the countdown timer. I can fix that. There we go. I think. Nope. U.S. durable goods coming out at 8:30, along with Canadian retail sales. At 9:30, right at the bell, you have a Fed speaker. At 9:45, we have S&P PMI flashes. Little less talk and a lot more action. So I'm testing out kind of a new indicator. Not really a new indicator, but I found a better engulfing candle indicator that, I've been looking at the micro and the mini at the same time, and this one seems to catch them all, both the ones that show up on the micro chart and the mini chart. And even puts words there if I want them there. It seems to pick up a couple of extras as well, so I gotta test that and see what the extras are like. I have both indicators on the chart still because it doesn't color the candles, so I'll use both. But the other one, for some reason, the alerts didn't work in TradingView. So I finally found one where I can actually do an actual alerts as well. Well, Kevin asked how low it could go, and so far that question was 12,753 half. Big 30-point bounce here. It's not something you usually see this time of day. I have no idea why we're so volatile this morning. I used the desktop app, Ahmed. It's called bullish and bearish engulfing. Hold on. It's not a widely used indicator. I tried like 20 different ones last night. So I finally found it. It only has 43. It's by ZZZ Buy. Bullish and bearish engulfing ZZZ Buy. It's 43 downloads or whatever that number represents. Sandwich between the 100 and the 20 right now. So it's good I didn't take that last one, but all three of these would have worked. What was whose name? The author of the Trading View script? ZZZ Buy? Yeah. Buy. Buy. And we're coming back down. Yeah, UB's loading for me on TradingView, but not on NinjaTrader and someone else will say it wasn't loading on MotoWave. So it's in the platforms that's not loading. It's maybe a rhythmic issue with the treasuries. Oh, it works in Ninja? Let me see if it loaded for me finally. Let's look. That's still not loading for me. See here, that's my UB chart. Now I'm not looking to trade UB. Someone else was wondering, and I just thought it was weird. But that's what I see when I load up UB. That just black. Huh. What data feed are you using, IMAD? I'm thinking this is a rhythmic issue for some reason. That's why I'm wondering. For some reason, people using rhythmic aren't getting the treasuries feed or the UB feed. Let's see whether or not. Let's see. YM. YM's on the same. I want to say CBOT. Oh, then I have no idea what's going on. Yeah, see, it seems like it's CBOT. It's CBOT, right? Because my Dow isn't loading either. Yeah, CBOT. Popping up. Okay, well, I got no clue then. I know me and somebody else was having problems on two totally different prop firms, and two totally different platforms. The complexities of the trading world. We got news in about 8 minutes. Nice, Kevin. Good job. You see, it's interesting on the micro chart. We're seeing. If I turn this on, you can see this is a bullish engulfing and saying this is as well. It's not popping on the regular chart, but I don't like taking it when they're sandwiched between the 20 and the 100. But this would have been a nice candle actually to take. Yeah, but we're below the 100, so I really need to test those this weekend and see how often that works. Oops. Right back down here now. Pulling back down. Kind of choppy with bigger candles here. Yeah, actually the candles have kind of gotten a little bit smaller than they were. ATR sitting about 770. With 5 minutes till the news. Good morning, Juan. How's Juan doing today? We got a bullish engulfing, but again, we're sandwiched between the 20 and the 100. And it often respects that 100, so we're not going to take that there. Market slowed down some. Thank everyone for being here this morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're expecting to enjoy the stream, or you are enjoying the stream, I appreciate that thumbs up button. Pulls back. One minute till news. 1 hour till a Fed speaker and the bell. Sandwich between the 100 and the 20. 9 points separates the 100 and the 20. Durable goods not rocking our socks. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a push. Durable goods, negative 1%. They expected positive 0.2%. So that was a miss. Slower pulling back now, I mean. So again, that's why I don't like to go into a trade when we're sandwiched between the 20 and the 100. back. Where will we go? I don't know where we're going. I know where we've been. Rejected off that 100 and down harsh. Harsh, I say, harsh. Good morning, Mr. G. Good to see ya. How you doing? Yawning here. Gotta wake up. I'll wake up, jump to my charts. Nice job, G. Good job, good job. Apparently we have an unannounced Fed speaker speaking now. Bostic is speaking. Bouncing back up again. Yeah, crude really came down. Now we're bouncing up. Big bounce. Bostic must be saying something people like. So nice move up there. That ended up being a 13.5 point candle. Biggest candle we've seen here in a while. Broke the 100. Now we need to replace the 100. Three bar move here. Let's see if we see the new indicator's trying to call this an engulfing. The old indicator's not. So it's kind of interesting. Oh, actually now I have it on the micro as well. Well, let's see. Where we see. Oh, but went away. Still 30 seconds on this candle. But it's gone red on us. So looks like we're not going to get an entry there. It is still staying above the 100. Let's see if it continues. Nope, broke below. Good morning, Nick. How are you doing? Or good afternoon, Nick. How are you doing? Hey, JC, how you doing? I'm doing good. No trades yet this morning. Bostic says he does not expect the economy to fall into a recession. We have another Bostic. The speech by Bostic was not on the Financial Juice calendar, but we do have one scheduled right at the bell. Fed speaker. Kind of fading back down. We've gotten kind of choppy here in the last half hour or so. I mean, it was an up move choppy, but still kind of choppy. It was an up move. Oh, so what's everyone's plans for the weekend? Everybody's working for the weekend. Coming down to the same area that it came down to before heading back up. And there's the bounce again. Almost the same area. And if one wanted to draw trend lines, one could draw trend lines. Either there. Or... well, that one, see, that one invalidated and then went back up, so... could do that. This is why I don't like trend lines, though. Pushing up again. Where are we gonna go from here? Morning, Ace. Foggy, huh? Well, make sure it clears some before you go out running. You get lost. I'll have to use that GPS chip you don't know I implanted on you to find you. Now we're rising up. Pulling back. Rock 'em, chalk 'em. So it looked like it was going to be an exciting morning, and now it's really kind of disappointing. But we got time. On Monday, I'm going to be switching back over to minis, no longer using micros. Figured I'll finish out the week using micros and then switch on Monday. Because my strategy's been, no, I did not pass. I'm just going to, but I'm going to try and accelerate that process. Yeah, I was using micros or minis depending on ATR, and it doesn't make sense because I start off usually I was starting off the morning with a mini, and let's say I'd take a loss or two on the minis and then switch over to the micros. I'm not gonna be able to gain that back. So it just makes more sense to just use one size. And I've had 4 green days this week. If I had been using the regular minis, it could have been almost double. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see if we act. A lot of people are predicting recession. Some people aren't. Everyone predicted that we would be much lower on like the SPY, the S&P 500, and all that by now, and we haven't been. Market doesn't seem to want to die. Die, market, die. A Crypticon? Not really into those dom sub relationships there. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Don't need a chip for that. There's so much of it. So, not giving me anything I like here. We're about 8 minutes till the top of the hour. Crypticon, hit your live button. I think you're a little bit behind the live version of the stream. Ooh, there we go. There's a bullish engulfing. Maybe we got something we like here. We're in long here. I'll show it to you as soon as I can. There we go. Oh, wow. Already hit target. This is how I hit the thing. So he entered long at 95, out at 800. The stop was only 2.5 points, so we got that was about a 2-hour trade, even though it was 5 points. I would have went for a bigger target, but I was trying to get it adjusted and just it hit before I even had a chance. But still, nice 5-point trade there, real quick. And then, like I said, it was about 2 hour, maybe a little less. Still going. Could have got more out of it, but hey, I'll take it. First win of the day. So execution was excellent there. The excellence of execution. Or oxecution. Thank you. I could have really done 3R there. I should have made it just a. I've been talking about making it just a nothing shorter than a 5-point stop and then doing a 10-point target. So, and we'll see whether or not that would have worked. But it's just so hard to quickly make those adjustments. I did find a tool to help. We're getting another one. Let's see if this holds. Whoa, that's big. Not that big. Looks bigger. So the 10-point target would have worked there. I think. 95. Yeah, 10-point target would have worked there. So I got to test that a little bit more thoroughly, but I'm pretty sure the 5x10, when it's less than a 5-point candle for the stop, would be better. We're long again. It's 5, so we're looking for 10. Looking for 812 half. It's not like the fact that those wicks just ended up at about the same spot, but we'll see. Got up to 17 earlier, so that's what we're hoping for here. Two points away, 1 point away. Come on, come on, come on. A little bit more. A little bit more, baby. Push up. Going back just a tad. 10, 10 and a half, 11, 11. Come on, we want 1250. One tick away. Really? Oh, it hit it. There we go. Target hit. 2 for 2 out in the last 5 minutes. Boom and boom. Thank you, Kevin. 2 weeks ago, I would have never have taken that second one. 2 weeks ago, I would have told myself we're too far up. I would have talked myself out of that second trade. It's got above this resistance here for a second. Pull back. Yes, yes, it was. Thank you, Speed Racer. How many other times have those Fed guys been wrong, though? We're just about the top of the hour. Remember, we have another Fed speaker at the bell. Oh, big fall. That was a quick whip down. There's the top of the hour. Pull one down. Crude's trying to rise up as its market opens. So patience paid off. I had no trades for the first hour, or almost an hour. Then two back-to-back within 5 minutes, both winners. So in 2 minutes, it pulled back from 819 down to 796. Tried to come back up, getting beaten back down. Watching and waiting. Coming back down to its 100 EMA. Oh, interesting that we're still above the 20 on the ES. Ooh, bullish engulfing back above the 20 on the NQ. Got 30 seconds to see where it wants to go. A 7.5 point candle. 10 seconds on it. Pulling back here a little bit as we candle close. Ooh, back below the, well. Okay, so I did not pull the trigger there. I thought it was going to go underneath the 20, and so I ended up missing it. We'll put a limit order there in case it comes back. I don't think it's going to, though, but we'll see. So it's one of those where I anticipated that the engulfing was going to go away, and it didn't. That was just a matter of processing speed in my brain. So let's see here. I have a limit order in, but if it don't, I think if it comes back for it now, it means it's coming down because we've already gone 5 points. So I have a market if touched order. See, we had that. We actually had a gap there between it. Oops. Well, I'm in. So stops at 92.75, which would be a 9 point stop, 8 point stop. So looking for 12 on the target. So I'm in at 801. So looking for 813. Let's see how it goes. There's the chart. It's not looking good. That's going to stop me out. Maybe not. Back below the 20 though. So the ES is still above the 20, giving me a little bit of hope. Oh, there we go. We're about 21 minutes to the bell. Very choppy. Oh, I did give it another bullish engulfing there on this candle. You can see it here. Wow, that's a big lawsuit. Can it hold 800 here? My entry, I'm sorry, is 801, and now my stop is sitting right on the 100. Just how it happens to be right now. I didn't realize Clorox made vitamins. As big as the supplement industry is, you would think that you could figure out how to make profit with that. Why I'm pretty sure at this point this is going to stop out. It consolidated, did not move up any further, but we'll see. And the ES is breaking its 20. But it looks like, well, every time I say that, it pops back up. Oh, wow. I just need to keep saying that. It's been doing good so far. I mean, they actually say it takes about a month for it to really kick in, but I've been only taking it about a week. Getting beaten down at that same level. Wick there, wick there. Looking for 813. Again, butting its head at the same area. Let's see if it can break through. Someone give it a hard hat. Breakthrough. There we go. Come on. Come on. Give it a push. I like that candle. Don't like that one so much. That's awesome. We just saw 809. Here's 808. I mean, I used to be more for Chevy, but I don't really have a preference. I mean, I've never driven any of them, so big red candle coming back down here. Yeah. Ah, back down to my entry. Ouch. Back below my entry. Big ouch. It's coming for me. Stop 12,792.75 at 796. We're about 14 minutes from the bell. Stopped out. Broke the 100. Big move down. falling fast. Not afraid of falling. Ever been in a Ferrari or any fancy car? Fanciest car I've ever been in is a Mercedes. So 10 minutes to the bell. We also have a Fed speaker in 10 minutes. Really? Wow, that's interesting. Pops back up. Crawl right back up. And back down. Down, down, down. 7 minutes till the bell. So we're 2 for 3 this morning so far. Trying to get back up to the 100. No John DeFore yet this morning. No Chris Moore. No RJ yet. Rising back up. Back above the 20. Big rise. Wow, all the way back up. Wow, so if I had like a 30-point stop, I would be back in and profitable in that trade. Here's a link to Mr. G's YouTube channel. You should check it out. Winning Wall Street's money. That's probably a smart idea there, Burrow. Made a good profit on that. And good morning, Burrow. Apparently I did not. I apologize. Oops. It's not good. And coming back up. Nice bounce here. ES sent me a signal. Nothing else did. Let's see that the new thing sent me. No, new thing did not send me one. New thing did send me one there. That's interesting because that would have worked big time. Definitely need to test the new indicators, extra signals. Trying to get back above this. This is where we topped out on that trade I was in that ended up stopping me out. It's kind of topping out that same area right now for now. So we are less than 2 minutes to the bell. We also have a Fed speaker scheduled for the same time. Mr. Bostic will be speaking. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Boyard will be speaking. Board. Not Bostic already spoke. Okay. Okay, so now in 15 minutes we have S&P P&I flashes, but look at this rise up here before the bell. Wow. Ding 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 ding. I know I'm a little late on that. Ding ding. Got us at 12:830 there right before the bell. Ding 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 ding. Still trying. What's our high day? Well, oh yeah, that's right. We're well below high day. Wow, boom. Pulls back. Remember, we have a Fed speaker, so anything can happen here. Assuming that the speaker's speaking. With more news looming in less than 15 minutes. Here's where it starts getting tricky. Now, it went away, but that was a bullish engulfing for a second. When it's whipping around like this, it's going to be really hard to get the stops and targets in place if I try to take a trade here. But it went away, so not even an issue right now yet. Falling. So wicked up big there, came back down, and we are heading to the ground. Grounded to the ground. Ooh, back through the 100. Bounces. Morning, Lennox. How's it going? Between the 20 and 100 again. Hey, Leonardo, how's it going? Yep, they're all right. Indecisive here. That was a bullish engulfing on the ES. NQ was for a minute, then wicked back down. Yeah. No headlines have come out yet, though. Can't seem to break through either way here. Hanging right around 12,800. Nice big round number, as Mr. G would say. Cannot lie. I like big round numbers and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny that when a candle forms around the level, I don't know. I can't fit that into the song, G. ES still above its 20 here. ES being stronger. The stronger of the indices right now. But it's fallen too. Looking for trades in all the wrong places. Yes, yes I do, and I will listen to that today. I forgot last time you mentioned it. I will definitely listen to that today. No, my mind's like a sieve sometimes. I will I read the lyrics, I just haven't listened to it. I believe we talked about that before I started taking the ashwagandha. I, I can't do that. I'll get nailed with a copyright violation from YouTube. Not to mention, it probably wouldn't be the best song to play on a trading stream. We're down to 12,780 here in NQ. ES down to 39.54. Put a little bit of a pop there. Choppiness. See, Boyard say anything? Boyard, inflation remains too high. U.S. macroeconomic data is stronger than expected. Ooh, bearish engulfing. 30 seconds on this candle. Let's see. Ooh, big candle, 22 points. I don't. Hey, RJ. Okay, so this is a 30-point candle, so I am not gonna take it, but we're gonna watch it. Yesterday, I didn't take a big candle, and it ended up working out. If you remember, we were watching it, see if it would, and it did. This would have required, let's see, this is a 30-point candle, so this would have required a 45, even more. Let's see here. Based on my strat, this would have required a 35 points stop and a huge target. I'm not even sure how big. More than 200 ticks. Wow. There we go. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever be comfortable setting a 214 tick target. It's like 50, 53, 54 points. Uh, that said, if it actually hits the target here, I might cry. NQ actually just made a new daily low. 12,743 is the new daily low for NQ. That's right. We have news. S&P PMI flashes coming up. 3 of them. Little whip down. US S&P services 53.8. Expected was 50.3. All three were a beat. It looks like a pretty big beat. And Q nosed its 100 again. Okay, coming back down. Choppy here. Market can't decide whether it likes the news or not. Strong candle down here though, that 26 points. 743 was that low. Let's see if it's gonna push down lower. Yeah, new low. ES. Not quite there yet, but getting closer. 37 was its low. It needs to work down. And there's a little bit of a reversal. Nothing really. We're moving down, but other than that, I mean, nothing real exciting. We had a big candle there, but other than that, nothing big. John? Big John. Oh, sorry. Little pop there. Nothing to write home about. Not that you would really write home about a single candle on a chart. Dear Mom and Dad, I watched a green candle form today. Oh, that's a strong candle up. 25-point candle. Back between that 20 and 100. ES bouncing off its 100. We're looking for love in all the wrong places. Rise up there. So there's the answer to the question. Actually, it didn't stop out yet. If I had taken this, I would, like I said, I would never do a 35-point stop. But just came one tick of what if I had taken that trade like a fool of stopping out. So that's a bullish engulfing above. That's actually something I should take if it holds. Not holding beyond. No, not stay above the 100. I, look at that. Wow. So why didn't I take that? Let me get rid of that. Because it was still below the 100. But darn it, it was like just barely not within my trading plan. And it burst up by what, 22? I'm not even sure though. Let's just play with it. Stop would have been what, 16 points? 770. Wow, I got that exact. 780, 750. And 65. What's 1.5 times 65? 32. About 97. Hey, wow, that's pretty good. That would have worked. Kinda. I mean, not 100% tested. I need to do that, but I just noticed so many times. Well, you solved the other day about how it was regularly rejecting when it hits the 100. Now, I will say that that did have another pattern that I liked. The up, slightly back down, and then back up. So, I mean, obviously this would have been a good, I mean, based on parameters, 20, 24, 25-point trade. So yeah, I'll try and take a look at it this weekend. Yep, here we go. Another bullish engulfing. Strong candle. Getting very strong candles up. There's, whoa. Okay, stop with the big candles here. I like small candles. The kinds you can set around, and if you knock them over, they don't start a fire. Good luck on that, G. 20 seconds on this bullish engulfing candle. Got my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why by trading NQ, it's do or die. Long, setting stop. Stop is about 15, so I need 22. Yikes. That's like 38. There we go. And there it is. Yeah, exponential. Rising up. So let's see if I got the settings right on the trade. Oh, that candle 801.5. Entry 814 quarter. What was my actual? Oh, I got it 2 points late. Might just be the difference between the micro and the mini chart. But 51, so 76. Target, is that right? Yeah, wow, I'm getting good at this quick math stuff. So target's 833 quarter. Oh wow, so my target's way too high. There we go. Better, 34 quarter. Yep, getting wiki here. Not looking good. Yep, back to my entry. That's good for the economy. G. Hanging here at 1816, pulling back this tad. And we'll stop at the hour. As G said, no news at the top of the hour. Effect, do I even have? Yeah, I can take that off. There we go, movement up. Macroprudential. There's a big word. Playing around my entry. Yes, let's give me another bullish engulfing in that last minute. Looking for 834. C30. Oh, wow. We just hit target. Holy wow. That was an 18-point target. Seems like that wasn't right, though. Let me check that again just to make sure. Yeah, 19. So, yeah, the target was 833 quarter. We got 834 quarters. So, yeah. Wow. Target hit. Boom. Gee, you are something else. I gotta admit, ooh, and we're getting another one. I did not think that one was gonna hit. I uh, I thought it was gonna start turning around. Top of the hour. So we got the top of the hour boost there. Okay, that went away. So pulls back. So 2 weeks ago, me probably would have, gotten in if I got in at all. And then when it went up and started coming back down, I probably would have got out right around that area as it was coming back down. Wow, look at the Ultra Bond falling. Pulling down. Yep, popping. Let's see. Still got 50 seconds on this candle, so got a while. Yep, still coming down. Yep, gonna try again. Coming back up. Another big candle. Up, it's getting beaten back down. Ouch, big beat down. Beat down. Nope, coming back up. Rising up. Not down for the count yet. Nope, there it goes down. We got quite the fight here, folks. Was not the bullish engulfing. That was hard because it was teetering at 5 seconds to go. And we're coming down. Kind of wish it would have been a good bullish engulfing because this would have been a good trade. I think you hit a low of 736 and it popped back up 100 points since. 90. Well, yeah, it was 100 points. But could not get that high of that candle and now pushing back down. Welcome back, Ace. You got your two, Ace, or? Big move down. So we saw this up, down, up, come down, up, failed to get higher, and now rejecting down. Yeah, I use Financial Juice for news. Big move down. Now we're just sitting and watching. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Uh, Yay, internet. Okay, I think we're back. A little bit of internet blip. You might need to hit your live buttons, guys. Apparently Comcast is. I want to thank everyone for joining me today and all this week. If you haven't hit that like button yet, appreciate it if you did. There's no pressure, although Ace may pressure you. Oh, we're spinning again. I'm not having any issues. Let me see. Let's see here. Let me run a speed test. Rising up here. Morning, Glitch. How's it going? Big candle. Trying once again to get up into this area. Sorry about the internet issues, guys. I don't know if it's me, if it's Comcast, or if it's YouTube. I'm doing great, Glitch. All of a sudden, the market's doing great, too. Wow, big move up. Opening candle got up to 844. Let's see if it can do that. Yes, at high in New York session. Believe RJ said 39.80. So I don't remember. 39.98, 39.96, something like that. Oh, but big rejection here again. Whoosh down. Whoosh. Everybody whooshy. 94. Maybe Monday. Up, down, up, down. Interesting looking chart. And now it's getting back below. Nope, bounced off again around that 778 area. That doesn't sound good for women's health. And SEC versus Coinbase. SEC's going to win, unfortunately. I'm shocked that Bed Bath & Beyond hasn't gone out of business yet. We have a potential bearish engulfing coming here. I'm surprised it's not showing. Showing here? No. There it is. Not showing on any of the charts yet. Ooh, wow, look at that whip back up into a green candle. And there's a bearish engulfing. Strong candle down. 10 points. Did not take that because I see us hitting resistance here. And I really don't like candles that go through both the 20 and the 100. We'll see if I'm an idiot and see if I need to test that. But this has been chopped, so and you can see we tried 1, 2, 3 different times to break down here. This would have been a 16-point stop, so I would need a 24-point target. So I was a little bit out of my comfort zone anyway, but I got to start looking at those more because I think overall net they're big winners for me. But we'll see. 803.50. Boom, 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 boom. Entry 12,786.25. Oh, I got that perfect. It would need 103 ticks, so it's like 20, almost 26 points. Let's see where it goes. I kind of do, kind of test as we go to see how these things would work out. It did break that resistance, so That may be the first time I really hesitated on a candle all week. That was probably, valid. Only thing, I mean, the chop, but now it hasn't quite reached the target yet, but got close. And there it goes. So I should not have hesitated on that. That would have been a beautiful 25-point win. Beautiful. So you see how that 100 has kind of impeded me twice now. Here, we broke through that 20 and the 100, and I hesitated. Here, it stopped me. These both would have been 25-point wins. So right here, both of these would have been combined for 50 points, or $500 micros, $1,000 with a mini. So I think the next thing I need to analyze is what the winning percentage is on candles that would be 15-point stop and higher. Because I do tend to shy away from the bigger candles as well. So I need to look at. I mean, when I do the back testing, I throw them in, the regular the results, but maybe I need to isolate them. Good point, Nick. To be honest, Nick, I think the other thing that's in my head is, and it's stupid because it really doesn't matter, but the fact that right now I'm sitting on an all green week, five green days in a row, and I don't want to mess that up, so I think that's making me a little bit more hesitant as well. To my P&L today, but I know I'm green because I think I only took that one losing trade. Big pop back. Kind of weird price action. Definitely not getting any trends. I have no idea why I just did air quotes when you can't see me. But yeah, we're getting to. If this was a heart monitor, they would put the person on drugs for AFib. I am getting very comfortable with this strat. Um, Constantly seeing it work has made it much easier, both in trades I take and trades I don't take. So there's really no anxiety when I'm in the trade anymore. I shouldn't say no anxiety, but very little compared to what it used to be. And it's just like, take it, let's see what happens. Now that said, this candle here where I would have needed a 35 point stop, I'm probably never going to do a 35 point stop. But, 15 points, 20, even 20 points is doable if I see that the win rate's there. And we're popping up. Uh, Mr. G, I haven't been in a movie theater since 1989. Wow. See, and then it's doing that. It's bouncing these big bounces. Right back up. Oh, Boyard's still speaking. Yeah, I was thinking that, Nick. How will that affect my thinking? I've considered that. I don't have any dogs. I have a cat. No dogs. I don't pay for any. Gee, I don't watch. I don't watch TV at all. I very rarely watch a movie. I watch baseball. I'll have MLB TV. That's about it. I'll watch TV around Christmas time. That's basically it. And keep rising up again. Yes, rising up again. Yep. I mean, I know it's gonna. I mean, I've seen in the back testing, like I said, that one day last week where it would have been like negative 68 points just in the morning. This week has been incredible. According to the back test, every day would have been profitable, and every day, like even every stream would have been profitable if I had taken every trade, including the ones I missed, and every afternoon would have been profitable by an insane amount. Hey Chris, how you doing? You know, that's all right, Chris. You've been having a bunch of good days. Red day here and there. It's not gonna. Unfortunately, TradingView, I can only go back 2 weeks on the chart. Actually, chart it out manually. Have a great weekend, Juan. See you Monday. Oh, really? Hold on. I got NQZ 2022 not found in futures. Oh, wow. So it lies to me. Wow. Ain't that a kick in the head? Okay. So I got a new toy for the weekend. Chris, meet Nick. He can help you with some of your discipline issues. I highly recommend him. Kind of floating down. That's, I say, kind of floating down. It drops like a rock. So there goes the floating. Yeah, I just always took the word when it says what can't be found and never pressed enter. Yeah, I'm gonna play with that this weekend and see. Popping up here. I'm surprised it's actually not triggering. Is a trigger on the newer indicator, but no, none of the others. So I got to test that newer indicator for the triggers it adds. A lot of testing to do. It's recovery, Chris. Popped. Oh, there we go. Up, down, up, down. Down, up, down is being a clown. Oh, sorry. So about 20 minutes to go. See if we get anything else this morning. We just broke 12,800 again. Coming down. I gotta pee. Interesting, Chris. How come you switch back to NQ? Bearish engulfing here. 40 seconds on it, so we'll see. It's flirting with being a bearish engulfing. There we go. Stronger candle. Then in. We're in like Flynn. Uh, 12.5 point. That needs out there. Not looking good so far. We'll see. For a nice move down here, looking for 67. I'm sorry to go against you, Chris. Well, have a great weekend, G. We'll see you next week. Glad to hear that. We're hanging right on my entry here. Yep, not looking good now. Stop is at 96.5. Stopped out. And look at that come right back down. My original entry was 784. Wow. Dang it. Wicked me out. Though that said, it still wouldn't have reached my target. And back up. And coming back down, trying to send me the signal again. Going away. Good luck with that, Kevin. Short. That was a terrible engulfing candle. But we're in. 8 point stop. Need the 12-point target. 81.79. There we go. This trade will probably decide whether I have an all green week or not. Not looking good. Yep, dang it. Shouldn't have done it again there. Not after that big wick down there. Should not have taken that. Saw that the 20 and the 100 were nodding up, and that's usually a bad sign. Yeah, but there was red flags on it. The fact that my 20 and the 100 are nodding up, and that big wick. Look at that. Big candle down. It's just teasing me now. Yeah, I figured you were there, Kevin, since you only told us about it 2 minutes ago. And YouTube's gonna screw with me again here. Our Comcast might be getting some swirling. Third time the charm. Yep, it went away. Came back. I hate it when it can't decide. I took the trade. It ended up not being a bearish engulfing. It went away right at the last second. It was too late for me to not hit the button. Great job, Kevin. Just trying to form a new bearish engulfing. Hit your live buttons, folks. I'm getting constant issues today with this stream. There we go. 64 is the target. Whipping back up. Nope, back above my entry. Ah, gonna take another loss here. Nice whip up. Come on, come back down. Ouch. Okay, so no all green week for the Ox. What was a great week is now a mediocre week. Nice profit, Kevin. So, as we end this stream here, down 157 today, red day. For the week, I'm up 337. So, I figure sometime around 2026 I might get funded. Just seems like a lot of work for not a lot of profit. The account is back to being below the starting point. It was above when I started the day. And now we lost the feed. There we go. I don't know why we're having so many problems now on the stream feed as well. My speed test says I'm fine. But the bit it says it's a bad bit rate. I'm most upset at the fact that, this one would have been a 25-point win, this one would have been a 25-point win. Just taking one of those would have negated those two losses I just took. So that's what we're going to call it for the week. I hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll be back. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.